Won't you let me take you on a sea cruise? Okay. What I want to show you today. Oh, who am I? My name is Sister underscore Sue, S-U. On Twitter, you'll find me too. And there's the little bell. There's the Canadian flag down there. Click that and subscribe. Hit the bell as well. What I wanted to show you how to do is how to get your rewards from watching Hideout TV switched over into your favorite rewards program. So what you do is you click on rewards. Now the code part there, every day there is a code there and you just click add and it adds it to your total score. So then we click the word redeem and you'll see you can start the redemption process. So start redeem and you can choose an option. There are several different programs you could do it through. I'm using InstaGC. You can also do it quick rewards. There are a number of different ones. And so this, the hideout points turns into 16.1 points in InstaGC. And I just click on that to redeem, which leaves me with 6 hideout points left there. So my earnings, as you see, my earnings have been redeemed. And if I go over into my InstaGC, 963.17. So that's like $9.63 right now. If I reload, I wonder if it will add it up. Usually takes a little while to add that in. But that's all you do. You want to redeem your gift cards. You go to the gift card store, or you can go to other rewards. Now with the other rewards, you can get the Visa for the whatever amount you have over 400 points. So I could put in 963 here. Oops, 963. Sorry, it's a $9. Yeah, 963. That's points. Oh, it was redeemed for 1203. So I would need $12.03. Redeem. Okay, if I put in 963 points, I will get $12.03 in a Visa prepaid card. If you choose to get the virtual one, they don't take any money off that. But if you choose a concrete one that you can take in the store, they have to take $3 off the card balance. Now, there are lots of other gift cards you can see. The ones that are on sale will give you more bang for your buck. Amazon.ca, that's an interesting one too. You can get an Amazon.ca card as low as $1, so 80 points for $1. Here's $10 is 800 points, so I've got enough for a $10 card, plus maybe something else there. And there's like American Eagle is on sale, so a $10 card is on sale, so I can get that for 900 points instead of the 10. You can see there are lots of different ones here. Cineplex, I guess the movies are just opening up again. So a $10 one here is 900 points for $10 for the movies. And then you can use your movie cards for other things, other points too. There's another one that's, I'm not sure what Rixty is, but there's another one on sale for a $10 Rixty card. I think this is for games. In 900 points. They've only got 2 of those left. So those are, as you see, there's, there was Walmart on here before. So it seems the Walmart is gone now. Interesting. Whole Foods Market. 260 Whole Foods Market cards are being So this usually $10 is the same as 1,000 points, except you get a bit more on Amazon than the other places. Honest Company, Reitman's, Open Bucks, a variety of different things you can do. And if you're from other countries, this is something you need to know too. Just go through, find your country, and say maybe you're in Australia. Okay, then you would have Amazon.com AU, and a variety of different cards there. Maybe you're in the United States. It's down there somewhere. The United States. There we are. So a variety of different cards. But it really isn't hard. I just turn on the videos when I go to bed sometimes, or even if I'm going out. And sometimes I forget and I leave it on, and I come back and it's saying, "Are you a robot? Are you still there? Click here when you're ready to continue viewing." So if you forget sometimes to turn off your videos, you can still get points. Anyway, remember to pray because things do change that way. And so there are a variety of ways you could earn here. Other ways too is surveys. You get a lot more points on the surveys. Tasks, trials. Tasks is just surveys. Trials. So this is like Adwell. These are higher paying surveys. You make a market research profile, which is kind of cool too to do. So there's different things that you can do, and that's on InstaGC. I hope this has been helpful to you. Remember, you can get points just by watching shows. So there we go. Cooking with Kimberly. This lady is from down by London, I believe. So
Hi, I'm Nathan from Compass Fostering, and using SEMrush tools, we managed to more than double our online organic leads in less than a year. Want to know how?
Watch ads on
Read the
TV
full
all the
story.
time, and you don't get paid for that. So, but
hi everybody! Wow, cool beans. Let's switch this back up.
Down.
I'm in my greenhouse today.
There we are. Okay, so this may be a place that you might like to play your YouTubes too. If you have your YouTubes playing on the Panda or any of the other Hideout TV shows, please let me know so we can get everybody watching your show too. Have a great day.